going on, everyone? Today I wanted to give you a good look at the Tusk steering column adjustment lever. Now this is going to be an awesome upgrade for your Maverick R. It's going to improve the fit and feel of your machine inside, as well as give you something that looks like a factory part. Now, if you've got one of these Maverick Rs in your garage, you already know you've got your hands on one of the baddest machines that's ever gone down the Can-Am line. This thing is sick. From the DCT all the way to that turbo power plant, this thing means business. But one of the weak points that we wanted to address here at Rocky Mountain was the steering column adjustment lever. It's a flexy, plasticky piece that honestly, it doesn't give you that positive engagement feel, but it's also known to break. That right here is where this lever comes in. This is built to last. This is machined out of 6061 billet aluminum. It looks awesome. It's got our Tusk logo in here, but this thing is going to look like a factory part. Now, a big thing that we also did to make sure that it lasts as well as it looks was the engagement gear right here on the inside is also made out of stainless steel. This is gonna hold up to abuse for a long time, all the while giving you that positive engagement feeling as you're going to make those steering adjustments. Now, to install this, it's going to be a super easy process, probably gonna take you no more than 30 minutes. It's gonna use all of the factory hardware. Now to do this, what you're going to be doing is you're going to want to remove first this shroud right here underneath your steering column. You've got 5 different pull pins as well as 1 Allen key bolt that you're going to remove to take that off. And then you've got to just remove just this one 10mm nut so that you can push the bolt through this stock adjustment lever. You're going to install the bolt through this new Tusk adjustment lever, reinstall the nut, and then put your shroud back on. Super easy process, and it's going to make a huge difference in the feel of your Can-Am when you're making those steering adjustments. To get yours, go to RockyMountainATVMC.com or click on the link below. As always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent, and thanks so much for watching.